Hello my lovelies, and I'm really excited. This is our December Daily 2024 reveal, and it wouldn't be the same on this channel if I didn't do December Dailies, would it? And so we're going to try and make it work. So this year we're going to be very poor imitation of a drum roll there. 12 days of Carolmas. So we've had 12 days of Kitmas, 12 days of Tagmas, 12 days of Stitchmas. So this year we're having 12 days of Carolmas. So the pick jar's coming back, guys, and I want you to put in the comments below suggestions to go into the pick jar. So I'd like you to put down your favourite carols, ones that you really enjoy, family favourites, that sort of thing. And we will bring one out every day as usual. I've also got another fun advent calendar to open this year. So we haven't got we had rubbish crackers that didn't open or didn't bang. We had the candles, you remember them? They all smelt like toilet cleaner. And I can't remember what we had last year. But anyway, we're having some... Oh, we had tea. We had tea. Thank you, David. And this year, we've got something else. So that's to look forward to. So just briefly, let me have a drink. I'm so excited. I've lost my voice. I'm just going to show you my December daily journal that I've made for this year. Now, if you remember last year, I did a big one where we could, Midori style, so I could take the middle out, but also it's a Christmas ephemera holder. So I will be cutting out new bits of ephemera from the kits I've already got, and we'll be able to play with those as well. So my idea is that I'm going to make a large tag. So I'm going to pre-cut some large tags that are about as large as this journal. Now, this is 4 3/4 inches by 6 1/2. So I'm going to make some tags so I don't get carried away, because you know what I'm like, and I've got to be mindful of my arthritis. So I thought if we contain it within a tag, that will keep me in check, won't it? Says she, hopefully. So I've just made this out of recycled packaging. It's a cereal box. I've put some paper on, some Christmas paper. I've put my usual 3 coats of multi-matte medium. And I have got some nice beaded thread around it. I've got some tassels at the bottom, and I've found that 2 charms have fallen off. So I better find those and put them back on. And then, look at all this yumminess here. We have lots of Christmas charms. So I'll just give you a quick tour. Let me know how you're getting on with yours. And I think this is a good year to... we need something to take our mind off everything that's happening, don't we, in the world? And I think crafting is the best medicine. So I think I certainly missed when, like I said in sort of my video, when I said my soul misses crafting, and I was missing you guys. And that's why I'm doing a few videos, because I just missed it so much. So we open it up. I might put something down there. That's where it's just all... David's put them inside. But I might put some decorative tape down there, because it's a bit ugly looking, that fabric, isn't it? And I have got three signatures in this. I have made out of some red and black junk card that I got in my stash. I've made tags to go on. I've got carried away with the eyelets. I've loved it. Loved it. There's a card here. I am having a stall at a craft fair next weekend in our small town, and I went last month to have a look at it, and there's a lovely lady there that does these watercolours and cards. So I bought this one. She's called Tammy Michelle, and I put it into my December daily because I loved it with the gingerbread. Each signature has got, if I'm not mistaken, got fancy paper at the beginning. Where are we? Where are we? That's a signature in its own right, that card and that. So each signature has got a paper from David's Christmas in Sherwood Forest kit, which he will be putting back on our coffee shop soon. We've got an envelope there. I've got some sheets of carols, Christmas carols, seeing as that's our theme. And put pockets and a few decorative pieces in from all the things that I have left from lovely kits from other years, from other people. So I'll put a list of my favourite Christmas kits in the description box when we start in the December dailies. I'm not going to do it today. I might find a few more before then. Yeah, so I think I'll put some decorative tape down there. I've got some nice cloth Tim Holtz tape, and hopefully you can see I've got these lovely charms, and I bought them from Shein. So Shein online, well, I find them fabulous for buying shoes, to be fair. I thought they'd be cheap and nasty, and they're not. They're far from it. So I thought I'd send for my Christmas goodies this year from there. And I'm not disappointed because the charms are gorgeous. Look at that. Reindeer. We have got Santa there, look. Now you see I got that ruler. Do you know what? I'll have to come back down here. I've measured that and forgotten that that's my marker for going off screen with my camera. So I'm sorry if it's gone off screen a bit there. Silly me. I don't know. I've got out of the habit of doing this filming malarkey, haven't I? There's a musical note there for Carolmas. And we start off on page 1 with a little girl here singing Christmas carols. So that, all is calm. That's part of a carol as well, isn't it? I'm trying to think. All is calm, all is bright, round yonder. I can't think which carol it is. Let me know if you know which carol it is. I've forgotten at the minute where that comes from. Right. Oh dear. What we got here? I seem to be losing all the bulb pins. They're coming undone, and no wonder I'm losing all my Christmas charms. I'm going to have to put them back on. Well then, there we go. 12 Days of Carolmas is our 2024 theme this year. Of course, I'll be crafting along with the December daily of Traciefoxcreative. Her kit is out now, so go and get it while it's on sale. You'll not be disappointed. She always puts loads and loads of pages into her Christmas kit, and also there'll be a host of her design team project, of which I used to be one. I'll be doing all sorts of Christmas ideas with it. So don't forget to put down below your favourite carols so that we can get the pick jar up and running, ready for the 1st of December. And I'm really excited, but can you believe we've got thick snow here. Thick snow here in Nottinghamshire. Who'd have thought? It's come specially just for me to do this video. All right then, guys. I will see you next video. Bye for now.